Cool. Oh, let's look at that. Oh, look at that sweet design. Jack's Customs.
Woo!
Right there.
Don't get no better.
These mangled mess of freaking fuel lines.
There we go.
Oh, you got the same problem I got. Them big freaking gorilla hands.
Yeah.
Oh, did your seal fall off?
Huh?
The seal fell off. On that one you just plugged in. I think.
Of course. Yeah, it's fuck is it?
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna be. I don't see one anywhere either.
Yeah, I slid it on there, so I know it was there. Are they both on? Oh gosh.
That one had it.
Yeah, I know they both had it. It's probably underneath. Oh, for crying out loud.
See it on there either.